Good morning to all. Now we are in third chapter, that is pairs of equation. So last class we have seen a topic two equations. That means there will be two conditions. So using the two condition we are making a two equations and simplifying those you can get whatever the unknown thing x and y values we are finding that. So now we'll move on to the last part, that is some other equations. Some other equations in the sense here also the condition will be given. Using the condition we are going to make a two equation as we did before, but here the equation will be different from the previous one. So now we'll see what is that. So you can take your page number 41, side heading some other equation. You can see the example there of two squares. Of two squares means you can see one square here, one small square here. The sides of the larger are 5 cm longer than those of the smaller. What did they say? Sides of the larger are 5 cm more. 5 cm more than the smaller, which means the side of this will be 5 cm more than this. This is the smaller, this is the larger. And area of the larger is 55 square centimeter more. Here area also 55 square centimeter more than the smaller. So the side also 5 centimeter more, but the area also 55 square centimeter more than the smaller. What is the length of the sides of each? What is the length of the sides of the each? Means this length you have to find out, this length you have to find out. So both things are unknown. So what I can take is the first side, largest side I can take it as x. So the smaller side I can take it as y. Means large square you have one side is x, smaller square side you have y. Now we'll see the condition. First condition is what? Sides of the larger. Sides of the larger means which one? X. Sides of the larger is when you have to put the equal. Sides of the larger is 5 cm longer. 5 cm longer. Longer means you have to add 5 cm longer than the smaller. Than the smaller means y here. So this is the way you can make this sentence into an equation. So x is equal to y plus 5, which means the sides of the larger is 5 cm more than the smaller. X equal to y plus 5. So we can make it into equation. How? Y I can bring here means all the alphabets bring it together. So x positive y becomes minus. So x minus y is equal to 5. So this is your equation 1. So from the first condition you got first equation. Now we'll see the second condition. Area of the larger is 55 square centimeter more than the smaller, which means what do you mean by area here? Area of the square is what? Area is equal to what is the area? Side into side, x into x, which means x square. Area is here x square, and here what is the area? Area is equal to y into y, y square. So this area is x square and the smaller area is y square. What they told now? Area of the larger is, that will make it into an equation. Area of the larger, which this is the area of the larger. So that x square is when you say you have to put equal to, area of the larger is 55 square centimeter. 55 square centimeter more means always addition. 55 square centimeter more than the smaller. Then the smaller means which is the area? Y square. Area of the larger is 55 square centimeter more than the smaller. Then the smaller area is what? Is y square. So same way we have to bring all the alphabets together. So x square, y square bringing here minus y square is equal to 55 keeping here. So this is the equation 2 I can say. This I made equation 2. But still see, last problems and all you have seen two equations are forming. So in that you can say x minus y is equal to something, or 2x minus y is equal to something like that. And the second equation is also little bit same, no? X plus y or 2x plus y like that and all. But here you see second equation how it forms. Square it form. X square minus y square. It is different from this. So we cannot simplify like that. As we did before, that simplification we cannot be done here. So what we are going to do is this equation we have to change into this form, because your square is there. Whenever squares comes, no, you have to change into this form. That is, I'll say you how to do this form. Okay, so x square minus y square we have to change into this form. So just recall, in your 8th standard you have studied many formulas. So you might be knowing that x square minus y square, one formula you studied, x square minus y square, that can be written as x plus y into x minus y. X square minus y square can be written as x plus y into x minus y. So instead of x square minus y square, I am going to write this and all. Now this I can write here, just this is very important. So I can write x square minus y square as x plus y into x minus y is equal to, what is the formula? X square minus y square. So that formula I am putting here. Now see here, because we told if it is square comes, you have to change into this form. That's why we are using the formula x plus y into x minus y. So that only just copying here. Now we'll see anything you know the value or not. Here you see x square minus y square, you have no here, x square minus y square how much? 55. So instead of this one I am going to write this. Now again, whether x plus y is there here, x plus y not there, but x minus y you have. X minus y how much you have? 5. So I am going to write all those here. X plus y keeping as it is, because I don't know the value. X minus y you have here, x minus y 5 into 5 is equal to x square minus y square how much? 55. Like this I am writing. Now I don't know x plus y, so just keeping there only, this 5 I am bringing here. So x plus y as it is equal to 55. Multiplication becomes division, so divide by 5. So what is the answer? 5 how much are 55? 5 11s are 55. So I can say x plus y is equal to 11. So this becomes your second equation, not this. This is the second equation of yours. Now see, equation 1, x minus y is equal to 5. Equation 2, x plus y is equal to 11. So somewhat same, no? X, y, square and all not there. Square all gone. We have changed that equation into this way. So this looking just a similar equation. So now we can simplify these equations. Now we are going to find out the value of x and y. So we are taking the equation 1, x minus y is equal to 5, equation 2, x plus y is equal to 11. So we have to simplify. Now what you have to do here is, we have to see whether x same or y same. Here both are same, x is 1 x, here 1x, 1y. Any one we can put into 0. So which we can put into 0, so that you can see here easily positive y, negative y is there. Means 1y minus 1y can be 0. So we don't have to put a subtraction here. Before we use a subtraction, no, that is how, if it is both are positive like this, we cannot get into 0. So that time you have to put this subtraction. But here, already here the negative sign and the positive sign is there. So 1y minus 1y, it can be 0. So no need of putting subtraction here. We can just do the addition like this only. Now 1x plus 1x, because both are positive, now 1x plus 1x, 2x. 1y minus 1y means minus 1y plus 1y, it will be 0. Now 5 positive 11, here positive no, plus means you have to add 5 plus 11. 5 plus 11 how much? It is 16. So that x value you have to find out. So x I am keeping here, so that into 2 becomes division 2, divide by 2, it is 8. So x value got 8. That means one side is how much? 8. Here larger side will be 8. Now substitute this in any of the equation. Any equation you can choose. In which one you want? First one only we will put. Substitute this in equation 1. So that first one what? X minus y is equal to 5. That you have to write first. Then substitute the x value. Okay. So x is what? 8 minus y is equal to 5. So that this 5 I'll bring here and the y I'll bring that side. Whatever, anyway you can do. So 8, this positive 5 becomes minus 5 and y bringing here. Okay. So minus y becomes plus y. Positive y. Now 8 minus 5 how much? 3 is equal to y, or y is equal to 3. So that what is the side of the smallest square? It is 3. Got no 3? So that is the question they asked. What are the sides of the square? You can say, therefore, side of the largest square is equal to 8 centimeter, and the side of the small square 3 centimeter. Now we'll move on to the problem, page number 42, question number 1. A 10-meter long rope is to be cut into 2 pieces. You can see one rope is given here, long 10-meter rope is given, that is cutting into 2 pieces. I'm cutting here so that one larger piece you have, one smaller piece you have. So that using a square is to be made using each. So this piece from here to here, one piece, that piece I'm using and making a square here, and the remaining piece you have here, using that I'm making another square here. So using the 2 pieces I made 2 square. So the difference in the areas enclosed must be 1/4 square meter. How should it be cut? So what they told, after making the square, the difference in the areas is 1/4 square meter. So if in that case, how should it be cut? Means 10 meter full we have. We don't know how we have cut that. It can be 5/5, or it can be 6/4, it can be 3/7, or it can be 7/3, like that, 7/3 or 6/4, like that. That we don't know. That we have to find out here. So that this piece we made a square, this piece we made another square. So what you have to do is, you have to find out each side is how much. Each side is how much means adding this side, this side, this side, this side. 4 side if you add, you will get the length of this much. And the same way, if you add 4 side, you will get the length of the remaining piece. So that is the question here is asking. So to do that, what we can do is, we can take one side as x here, and this small square side is y we can take, as we did before. Now here, and the condition what is given, about area given, means difference in the areas are given. So we should know what is the area of the larger one. Area of the larger one is x square, area of the smaller one is y square. So this much you should know. Now what we can do is, the given thing, total length of the rope means it's nothing but a perimeter. Means from here to here, this you cut and made a square. So that I can add this 4 side here, and I can also add this 4 side here, so that the total only know here length of the rope also. So I can say the perimeter of the both the square also. I can say length of the rope is nothing but perimeter also, 10 meter. So that I can write from this also. Perimeter of the large square is what? Here one side is x, so that 2x, 3x, 4x. So totally 4 sides are there. So it will be 4x. 4x, and this is how many you have? 1y, 2y, 3y, 4y. So that perimeter will be 4y. So 4x and 4y, if you add these 2 wires together, you're getting the 10 meter. No, this 10 meter only you made like this. So when you add the both perimeter, you will get this 10 meter. So 4x plus 4y is equal to 10 meter. You can get like this. Now this you can make it shorter also, because you can divide easily. If I divide with this number, this equation by 4, I can divide, no? By 4 I can divide everywhere. So if I divide 4 by 4, it will be 1x. It's divisible. 4 ones are 4. So 1x plus here also 4 by 4 means 1y is equal to here 10 by 4. It is not divisible, but we can write 10 by 4. So I can make shorter here. That means I can divide by 2 again here. It will get 10 by 2 means 5. 4 by 2 means it is 2. So I can write it as 5 by 2 here. So I can make an equation, x plus y is equal to 5 by 2. So this is your first equation you got from the length of the rope, or that is we can write it as a perimeter. From that first equation got. Now we'll see the second equation, that is second condition you see. Difference in the areas. Difference in the areas. Difference means always minus. So first larger area what, x square. So I can write difference in the area. Or difference, I can say difference, that is area x square Whenever difference means you will put the minus. X square. Next area which one? Y square. Difference in the areas enclosed must be 1 by 4. 1 by 4. That you know is a you have to change this. Okay. Improper you have now. How to change this? 1 into 4. This is the way. 1 into 4 plus 1 divided by 4. So 4 ones are 4 plus 1 divided by 4 means 5 by 4. You will get this answer as 5 by 4. Okay. So this can be written as 5 by 4. So I can write it as x square minus y square is equal to 5 by 4. Now as you see in the previous problem, same way square came here. We told no, this is the one equation we can take, but this we cannot take as second equation because we cannot simplify this. So what we are doing, if this you have, we have to change this into this way. So one formula we studied, no, what is the formula? X plus y into x minus y is equal to x square minus y square. So that you have to substitute the values here. Whether x plus y you have, yes, 5 by 2 is there. So I am writing 5 by 2 into x minus y, that I don't have, so I am writing the same. Now x square minus y square you have here 5 by 4, that I am writing. Now this I am keeping here, this number I am bringing here, so that x minus y is equal to 5 by 4. This is into you have, so it becomes division. So along division you have here 5 by 2. So that when we take it upside 5 by 4, this long division becomes into, so that this will be reverse. Reciprocal it will be. 5 by 2 reciprocal what? 2 by 5. So that you can see 5 cancels, 5 cancels. Means it divisible. So remaining you will get 2 by 4. And again you can make shorter with a division by 2. So that is 1 by 2. Means x minus y is equal to 1 by 2. So you are getting the second equation here. X minus y is equal to 1 by 2 is the second equation. First equation which one? X plus y is equal to 5 by 2, equation 1. Second equation, x minus y is equal to 1 by 2, that is the second equation. Now we have to simplify as we did before.